Hello and welcome to the vlog. It is currently, what time is it? 4:24. I'm starting this vlog kind of late today because I worked this morning and then I took a nap. And then I've just been kind of lazy until Brooklyn got here. She's here now and this is her favorite thing to do at my house. Play on the iPad because she doesn't have one anymore. She's coloring a beautiful flower. Very nice. So in a little bit, her and I are gonna go to the grocery store. And what are we gonna get? We're getting ice cream and some other snacks while she's here. Are you excited for ice cream? We love ice cream. We just had ice cream yesterday and I told her we would get some more today. And then I don't know if we're gonna go today or tomorrow, but she brought her bike and I have a bike, so I thought we could go on like a bike ride or something. Or maybe I won't ride my bike because sometimes she has a tough time going up hills, is what Papa said. So that's the plan. And I think we're gonna watch a movie tonight. Don't know which one. Do you know? Not yet. Maybe a Halloween movie? Well, actually, we might watch this movie, Paranorman, because she hasn't seen it. You wanna watch this movie? She also likes Beetlejuice and Coraline. We watched Coraline yesterday. What other movies? I forget. She likes a bunch of Halloween movies. Is Halloween your favorite? And guess what movie we can watch soon? The Nightmare Before Christmas. Like how into it she is. She loves this thing. Anyways, that is what's going on today. I am currently editing my video. And also, if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, I'll leave my username somewhere on the screen, or you can click the link down below and give me a follow, because I've been trying to post more on there as well, just to keep it updated. And you know,
just make something for me.
like what?
Spaghetti.
Oh yeah, I'm making spaghetti for dinner, but she's not having sauce. She just likes the noodles with butter and cheese and a little garlic salt, I think. So that will be for dinner. Yeah. Brooklyn got her a new bike for her birthday. Go, Brooklyn, go. Good job. Careful of the tight corner. Careful of the tight corner. Right here. Are you gonna go straight or are you gonna turn? There she goes. We're at the playground. Brooklyn, come right in this thing again. That was funny. This is her favorite. Oh my goodness. Write it frontwards, you silly. Your hair goes crazy. It's coming around the corner. There she is. She's loving it. What is it? Apples?
And oranges.
And an orange. Yuck. They're gonna decompose there. Or compost there. What's the word? Cool. Are you having fun? Yeah. You want to go to the store soon?
What time is it?
I don't know.
Do you know what they call it when the leaves say falling?
Autumn?
Fall.
You're right. When you're done riding your bike, we can go to the store and get ice cream. Okay? Brooklyn's doing this? How cute. Good job, Brooklyn. Oh, yeah, try it like that. Can you do it with only one foot?
I can't do it.
Do one foot on that one, and then two, and then one. Do one foot on the green. Ah, nice.
Try it on the one.
Okay. Good job. Currently outside with Brooklyn. She's here too. But I'm watching her play at the park. Oh. Oh no. You're wild, girl. And she has been riding her bike like a mad woman. And yeah, basically that's it. I'm waiting for her to tell us when we can go get ice cream. When can we go get ice cream?
At 42.
At 42.
How long is that?
I don't know.
I need to.
Eyes have been itchy all day.
I want to take pictures.
You want to take pictures? Oh, you forgot you didn't bring your camera, did you?
What camera?
Your little one. You did bring it? Aww.
Okay,
Sorry, she's stomping.
I need to take pictures.
But she wants to take pictures now, so we'll check in later. Okay, it's
So,
recording.
we just came here at the park. So I got a new helmet and a bike, kitty helmet.
Show your kitty helmet.
Kitty helmet's like this, like a little kitty. Blush. I don't know why I have blush, because I think I put it on there. I don't know. So it's pretty awful. And so we can just record everything and not say and
Hello. I haven't edited my video from the last 2 days because I realized I did a haul of what I got Brooklyn for her birthday, so I don't know how I'm gonna edit that because she's here and I don't want her to see what I got her for her birthday until Sunday. I know you do. But I want to wait because I want you to be surprised on your birthday. Oh, good job. She put her helmet on by herself. But I'm excited because I got her something that she really wanted. I already showed Mom and she says that it's super cute. The leaves are already changing on this tree. And you can see like over there too. But once all the leaves have changed, this area looks so pretty, like especially on my balcony. I'll have to show you once that happens, but it's so beautiful because they're just all really pretty. Brooklyn, let's go inside. Cause I'm tired. Or do you want to play at the park?
we can go to
The store?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Good job. Okay, I'll grab your bike. Here you go.
So like we're gonna get ice cream from the store in red, and we're gonna get red box. So we just go in there and we're gonna get ice cream too, cause it's really hot out. It's sweaty right here. I know it's so sweaty. So it's not like that. Like it's hot out, but it is hot out. And so Amanda's driving. I'm in the back seat. Like that. Amanda's driving. So
ready for bed.
So.
Is it bedtime?
No!
Oh man. I hope they have good movies at the store.
Yeah, she said. I'm gonna get some movies. I don't know what that was. What was that?
Skateboarder.
Oh. So, hey Amanda. So earlier, when Papa and me were driving, a guy was riding a bike. A skateboard with a helmet, and it was just keep going. He won't have to put his feet on the ground.
Whoa,
It would just keep going.
He just kept going?
Yeah.
It's like a motor.
And it stops and you look and then it goes.
Oh, cool.
Goes really fast. And I
That
said,
looks fun.
yeah, and I said, Papa, catch up to him.
Because you wanted to look at him. That's really cool.
Yeah. I want to have that.
Yeah. You gotta master the bike first.
What bike?
Your bike.
If I'm ready to take off the training wheels, then that means I know how to ride.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, we're going
here.
I'm gonna keep making a video. So we're here and finally we're here so you can get red box. Last time we went here to get red box. So yeah, we did that.
Careful. Hold it with 2 hands. Oh, I didn't bring my tripod.
So we're here now to get red box.
We're at the store. Okay, we gotta look both ways. No cars, let's go. Come on.
There is cars.
There is cars.
Right there. Like,
That's okay, they're supposed to stop for us. Oh look, she's parking, so it's fine. And we brought our reusable bag.
Yep.
Because we don't want to waste
Now
more
we're going
plastic
inside to
than
get red
there already
box.
is.
I can't even see red box.
Okay, let me see. Brooklyn's back in her natural habitat. But I gave her some cool glasses. Let's see your glasses. Those are cool. Can you show them what you got at the store? What did Auntie get you?
Lollipop.
Show me! Brooklyn, I want to see. Can you show up for my vlog? It's right here. You got Sucker, and let's see your kitty. So cute. They had these on sale and she really wanted it, so I guess I said yes. How could I resist?
I really feel officer.
She's playing games.
Put.
Where'd it go? It's right here. I made Brooklyn and I grilled cheese sandwiches. I decided to make this instead of spaghetti because this is just a lot easier and she likes it, so. Is it yummy? Yeah. And now we're gonna watch Paranorman because she actually hasn't ever seen it, so. And I don't think I've actually seen it either. Yeah, so we're gonna watch that and it's gonna be real fun. And then we have ice cream later. I'm excited for ice cream. It's gonna be good. And I still haven't edited any of this vlog yet. Yikes. All right, Brooklyn and I are going to bed now because it's late, huh?
And we just took Popo out.
Yep, we took Popo out to potty. And now we're gonna go brush our teeth and then go to bed. She's gonna play on the iPad for a little bit because I'm exhausted. It's somewhere around here. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos. And we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!
Tomorrow!
See you tomorrow! Yay!